iPhone 18 Pro, under-display Face ID rumors revealed. Get ready for some thrilling news from the world of Apple. Rumor has it that the tech giant is currently testing a groundbreaking under-display Face ID technology for its upcoming iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max models. Scheduled to hit the market in September 2026, these new devices are set to stand out from their iPhone 18 siblings with this innovative feature. Imagine a sleek design with just a single hole punch for the selfie camera. Goodbye, unsightly notch. Now, just because Apple is experimenting with this technology doesn't guarantee it will make the final cut, but the prospects are certainly exciting. If successful, this under-display Face ID would not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the iPhone but also maintain the robust security that users have come to trust. Unlike some Android devices that have opted for a less secure camera-based unlocking method, Apple's 3D face scanning would ensure that your device remains safe and sound. If this rumor turns out to be true, we could finally bid farewell to the notch that has been a staple of iPhone design for years. Instead, we'd enjoy a clean, uninterrupted display while still benefiting from the advanced security features that Apple is known for. And here's an interesting twist: the first folding iPhone is also reportedly being tested with this under-display Face ID technology. Meanwhile, the standard iPhone 18 and iPhone 18 Air will stick with the traditional notch for now. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch date. This could be a game changer for Apple fans.